Hey guys, Joshua Peterson Electric here. Get the second part to this video of this house in Boulder that we're wiring in the county. We got the underground done at Christmas of 2018 and through New Year's. It's now the first week of January, and we just came to finish up some stuff. This is going to be our stub up inside the wall of the garage. They told us 18 foot out, so we went about 18.4, and that'll go back to that AC there. And then the front of the garage looks like it's probably going to come out flush to the front of this house. Anyway, so there's a 3/4 conduit. That was our 3-way. There's a 2-inch feed coming out of the panel that's going to pop up to our conduits there, and our bypass lever meter. Utilities, we pulled string today all the way through all the conduits, so all the conduits are good. We did tamper all of this with a jumping jack and then came back with a skid steer and leveled it. Took the extra leftover dirt here so they can use it for the garage. We did all that work ourselves. Right here, these metal conduits, EMT, will be cut out later. But this is the 2-inch feed. This is going to be our 3-way for back and forth for the garage lights to these 2 house lights out here. And this is going to be for our Comcast. That'll go through the garage and over to that orange pole that's painted. And then there's a little green utility box, because they come off of that big green box over there. And so all of that is going to be pretty much tied through the garage and over. And then this other extra is a spare to the underground for that LB over there. And then there's another utility over there. You can see that we got our red ribbon sticking up out of the ground because they're going to backfill this even more. That's why the ground rod's higher out of the ground. Probably come back with another foot of dirt is what it looks like. They'll level it. Over here is going to be the septic. And that septic you guys already saw, the conduits went underneath with the slip sleeves. That then is going to be brought up here. And this is my marker conduit. So I'm hoping as they dig for the monolithic pour, they won't hit it. And I've showed them that I have a conduit from here to here, and I have 4 here to here. I didn't want to stub those out because I wasn't sure if I was going to hit the back of the garage correctly. I would rather hit that side. That's more important to me over here. And then back at the utility side, we leveled all this dirt, pushed it back. If you saw my other video, you'll see that. Trench came through. That fence will be now put in. I left the leftover dirt here so I can fill this hole. This is the utility side. This is going to be for later, my power. That's going to be pulled, excuse me, not my power, CenturyLink, which wraps around to a box right on the back side of here. So they may have to trench that. But that's all we're required to do. That'll be a box there. And that is right there. You can see, go ahead and show them right here. That 2.5-inch stub up taped string coming through will go underneath the utility box there for the power. Later I did leave a piece of wood under here so I can dig this out. Try to pull this temp out a little bit easier. And I avoided tampering right here because I don't want to make my life real difficult to dig that out here in a few months. But yeah, so that's the back of the house. It's going pretty well. And guys, let me know if you have any questions, but that's the underground side of putting all this in. Thanks.